Did you know that contests and giveaways are the #1 way to engage your followers and generate more sales on Instagram? Setting up a giveaway starts with posting a great prize on your feed and asking people to share or mention you in order to qualify. The problem is, it can take hours to sift through entries, make sure that people are not making duplicate entries, and then actually pick winners. Who has time to manually work through hundreds or even thousands of entries, right? Now, you can do it all in a matter of minutes using the giveaway picker from AiGrow. Here's how it works. First, create a free account on aigrow.me. Then, connect your Instagram username by following the on-screen prompts. In the dashboard, click on Manage Account and then select the Giveaway Picker tab. In the free Instagram giveaways and comments picker, drop the link of the Instagram post that you created for your giveaway or contest. Set your rules, including the number of winners and substitute winners. Select the actions the winners would have taken, which could be using a specific hashtag or mention. You can even avoid rewarding people who may be entering multiple comments or duplicate names. Select a deadline for your winners to be drawn or do it right away. Submit your settings and sit back and relax. Your winner is automatically selected for you and emailed to you as well. It doesn't matter if you have a few entries or thousands. AiGrow will pick your giveaway winners in the blink of an eye. So whether you are an Instagrammer looking to engage your followers or a business looking to generate more sales, the giveaway picker will make you more productive, save time, and get more organized. Create a free account today to get started.